In the ever-evolving landscape of modern romance, age is no longer the barrier it once was. With more and more younger men seeking relationships with older women, navigating the dynamics of such pairings requires finesse, understanding, and a dash of courage. If you're a younger man stepping into the world of dating older women, fret not. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the do's and don'ts to help you navigate this exciting and often rewarding terrain. Before diving into the do's and don'ts, it's essential to understand why younger men are drawn to older women. Beyond the physical attraction, older women often exude confidence, independence, and wisdom that can be incredibly appealing. They're typically more established in their careers and lives, which can provide a sense of stability and security for younger partners. Additionally, older women are often more self-assured in their sexuality, which can lead to a more fulfilling and exciting intimate life. Number 1. Embrace maturity. One of the most significant advantages of dating an older woman is the opportunity to learn from her life experiences. Embrace her wisdom and maturity, and be open to gaining insights from her perspectives. Show genuine interest in her experiences and opinions, and be willing to engage in meaningful conversations about topics that matter to both of you. Remember, age often brings wisdom, and there is much you can learn from her. Number 2. Be confident. Confidence is attractive at any age, but it's especially important when dating an older woman. Own your strengths and qualities, and don't be intimidated by the age difference. Remember that she's chosen to be with you for a reason, so embrace your youthfulness and vitality. Confidence also entails being comfortable in your own skin, so don't be afraid to be yourself around her. Number 3. Communicate openly. Effective communication is the cornerstone of any successful relationship, regardless of age. Be honest and transparent about your intentions, desires, and concerns. Discuss your expectations early on to ensure that you're on the same page and avoid misunderstandings down the line. Encourage her to share her thoughts and feelings as well, fostering an environment of trust and understanding. Number 4. Respect her independence. Older women are often more independent and self-sufficient than their younger counterparts. Respect her autonomy and avoid being overly possessive or controlling. Encourage her to pursue her passions and interests, and be supportive of her goals and ambitions. Remember that a healthy relationship is built on mutual respect and trust, so give her the space she needs to thrive. Number 5. Embrace differences. Recognize that there may be differences in lifestyle, interests, and preferences due to the age gap. Instead of viewing these differences as obstacles, embrace them as opportunities for growth and enrichment. Be open to trying new things and expanding your horizons together. You may discover shared interests that you never knew existed, deepening your bond and connection. Number 1. Don't make assumptions. Avoid making assumptions based on stereotypes or preconceived notions about age. Every individual is unique, and it's essential to get to know your partner as an individual rather than making generalizations based on age alone. Don't assume that just because she's older, she's looking for something serious, or that she's only interested in younger men for their physical attributes. Approach her with an open mind and genuine curiosity, allowing your connection to unfold organically. Number 2. Don't play games. Playing games or engaging in manipulative behavior is never conducive to a healthy relationship. Be genuine, sincere, and upfront about your feelings and intentions. Avoid mind games or playing hard to get, as these tactics can erode trust and intimacy. Remember that honesty and authenticity are essential ingredients for building a strong and lasting relationship, so be true to yourself and your feelings. Number 3. Don't fetishize age. While it's natural to be attracted to older women, fetishizing age can be objectifying and disrespectful. Avoid reducing your partner to a stereotype or fetish, and instead focus on building a genuine connection based on mutual respect and admiration. Appreciate her for who she is as a person, rather than fixating solely on her age or physical appearance. Remember that she's a complex individual with her own hopes, dreams, and desires, so treat her with the respect and dignity she deserves. Number 4. Don't focus solely on age. While age may be a factor in your relationship, it shouldn't be the sole focus. Focus on the qualities, values, and compatibility that you share with your partner, rather than fixating on age-related differences. Avoid dwelling on the age gap or allowing it to overshadow the other aspects of your connection. Instead, focus on building a strong emotional bond and nurturing a relationship based on mutual trust, respect, and understanding. Number 5. Don't succumb to pressure. Society may still hold on to outdated notions about age gap relationships, but it's essential to prioritize your happiness and fulfillment above societal expectations. Don't succumb to pressure from others or allow judgment to influence your relationship decisions. Trust your instincts and follow your heart, focusing on what feels right for you and your partner. Remember that love knows no bounds, and age is just a number when it comes to matters of the heart. Dating an older woman can be a rewarding and enriching experience, offering unique perspectives, companionship, and growth. By embracing maturity, confidence, and open communication, you can navigate the age gap with grace and authenticity. Remember to respect your partner's independence, embrace differences, and prioritize genuine connection above all else. With the right approach and mindset, age becomes nothing more than a number in the beautiful tapestry of love and relationships. So go forth with confidence, young gentlemen, and explore the depths of love and companionship with the older women who captivate your heart. If you found this guide helpful and insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on relationships, dating advice, and self-improvement. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos and never miss out on the tips and insights that can enhance your dating experiences. Together, we can create a community of individuals committed to building healthy, fulfilling relationships across all ages. Thank you for watching.